Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 7. If x over square root of 2 equals square root of 2, then x equal 2. So we rewrite x over square root of 2 equals square root of 2. We multiply both sides by square root of 2. So we can isolate x on the left hand side. Okay. X equal to square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 2 times 2. Or we can rewrite as square root of 2 square. And the square with the square root cancel. So we have x equal 2. And this 2 is come from here. Okay. This cancel. So the right answer is A. So just to remind, the square root of 2 times 2 is the same thing as square root of 4, or it's the same thing as 2 square. When we take the square root, that will be equal to, because 2 square equal 4. So square root of 4 is the opposite, will be equal to. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.